Yes, I think I should start from the beginning. So we are going to learn how to use Zotero. It's a referencing software, how to put the references in a journal paper or a research article or a PhD thesis is going to be explained in this. Then before this, I'm going to explain only how to use the software. Before that, these steps are supposed to be followed. We are supposed to create an account, that is register in zotero.org. Then we are supposed to install that, whatever downloaded software is there, we have to install it in the computer. Then I'll show how does it look on this. See, this is a software, this is the website. We are supposed to see, I've already registered, so it's showing login. Otherwise, we have got a register link also. Then this is the download link. Once we download this, we will be able to, this is the download link. Once we download, we'll be able to install. And after that, we are supposed to use the software using some plugins. So what's the plugins? We have this software directly available, or these plugins are available directly. I'll show how the plugins look like. So this is the icon which we see on our computer screen after installation. I hope it's fine. Now I'm opening this Zotero software. This can be used. See, I've put so many papers and journal articles in this for the papers which I've worked on. So initially, we have got this edit option. From here, we have to go to the preferences, and from here we can select the citation styles. For example, this American Medical Association journal, IEEE format, Elsevier, hardware. Anyways, I'll come to this once again. Now from here, we are supposed to install the MS Word plugins through the preferences. Anyways, we can get this from the internet very easily. So after that, coming to the presentation, we are also supposed to install browser plugin. This is also important. So after installing Zotero, we need to have MS Word plugin. So what is this actually MS Word plugin? It is a plugin which gives you this Zotero option in Word. I hope you can see this. Yes, this one, you'll be getting this Zotero plugin once you install or add this plugin, MS Word plugin. Then what is the browser plugin? See, after you open a browser or after you install the browser plugin, you'll be able to get this. You can see the Z here. This is Zotero browser plugin. After you install browser plugin, you'll get Zotero option or icon visible in the browser. So this is Google Chrome. So that's all. Now, after installing browser plugin, now let us go how to use this. So first, I'll start with a Word file. See, in the Word file, I have, wait for a minute, I'll just clear this. Yes. Now, this is a Word document I've opened. I've got this MS Word plugin also installed. If I click on this, I'll be getting this add or edit citation, add bibliography, document preferences, refresh and unlink citations. So what are we going to learn in this? See, selecting citation style in the beginning, then creating folders, then citing, which includes adding bibliography. This is a one-time step. Then refreshing if required, changing citation style if required, and lastly, this is also an optional thing, unlinking citations. So I'll show how to use this in the MS Word format. For example, see, I'll find a paper, or say, for example, I get a paper. For example, I have this paper. So I'm opening this, enzyme-induced calcite precipitation for soil improvement. So I need to cite this in my paper. I need to cite something read from this paper in the Word file or in the paper, journal article, or a conference paper which I'm writing. So when I open this, wait for a minute, it's taking time to open. Now, for example, I'll just say EICP is a soil improvement method. I'm writing this. So taking time. Yes. So what is the paper which I've got this information from? I've got it from it's taking time. Sorry for that.
That's okay, sir.
So I'll directly go and type it from in the internet. So I've come here. So it is a paper EICP for soil improvement. So this I'm searching it in the internet. So I've got it. So it is from say some other article I'm taking. For example, this is enzyme-induced calcium carbonate precipitation. So this is from Science Direct. Now I've opened it in the new tab. Now this is the paper which I'm going to cite in my work. So before that, I have shown one step here, creating folders. So creating folders, I'll do this. Now I'm going to Zotero. Now I have got this folder option. See, these are the folders which I've already created for my other papers. So I'm creating a folder. Yes, it's asking new work. So I'm going to name this as demo. I'll say okay. Now the demo folder is there. Now I want to use this paper to be cited. So what will I do? As soon as this comes, I have to directly go and click on this browser plugin, browser Zotero plugin. So as I click here, I'll have a pop-up coming out. You can see this. So it is directly showing the demo folder which I've created in Zotero.
So can you show where is that browser plugin? I'm unable to see your cursor.
Okay. I'll use this one, sir. This you can see this, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it is like a Word folder, you know.
Oh, yes.
Same thing. Is it okay? Okay.
You're clear, right? You're clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what happened as soon as I went here. So you can see I clicked there on the browser plugin. It has directly gone to the Zotero demo folder. Enzyme-induced calcium carbonate precipitation based method for eco-friendly stabilization, that paper has come. Now automatically it has taken the title. Now what is this actually? It's a journal article, and it is this is the topic. These are the authors. This will be exactly the same the website has given, and the abstract, everything has come here. Now I'll go to the Word file. Now just assume this statement is written after referring that paper. Now I have to cite it here. So I'll go and select this add or edit citation, this one. Are you able to see this? Yes. So I'll click on this. So as soon as I click on this, it will first ask which format you want for citation. So Journal of Materials and Civil Engineering, IEEE, or you have to search. If your format or the format which you are looking for is not visible in this, you have to go to Manage Styles. Manage Styles. Are you able to see this? Manage Styles. So I'll click on Manage Styles. Sir. I'll click on Manage Styles. So a new window will come. It's here. Now I have the styles available. If the style which you want is not available in this, you have get additional styles option. You select this. Now it'll give you a search option, or a list comes in front of you. Whatever style you want, there'll be many citation styles. Say for example, APA is also one style. I'll search here APA So
Yes, sir. Yeah.
American Physiological Association, 5th edition. So I can select this. Now it is also showing the citation styles. Now it has come in this 5th edition. Now what will I do? I'll say, okay. Now Zotero plugin in Word has understood that you want to cite the things in APA format. Now what will I do? I'll again click on this add or edit citation. Now we'll select that American Physiological Association 5th edition. I'll say, okay. Now a new window has come. Now here I'm supposed to select the paper's title. So what was that? EICP, if you remember that. So as soon as I write, I've got so many things because I've already stored many things in that Zotero file. I am able to say this. So sometimes, say for example, I'll select this. If this is the paper, I'll select. It has come there. So first author et al. And year has come. I'll say I'll tap enter now. I'll tap enter. Now it has come there. Now after this, you can see selecting citation style is over, creating folder is over, now citing. Now citing has started. Now adding bibliography is there. Now I'll come here. I want my bibliography here. So I'll say add bibliography, add or edit bibliography. So I've selected here. Now it has come. Now, for example, if I want to change citation, the steps are there. Now I'll show two more writing two more papers or one more method of citing from Zotero. So I'll write one more sentence. The method of stabilizing soil is so and so and so. Right now I want to cite this from the paper. I'll again go to this add or edit. Now this time I don't remember the name of the paper, so I have got this pop down. Drop down option. So I'll go to classic view. I'll go to classic view. As soon as you go to the classic view, I'll be able to see the papers which I have selected. Now, if, for example, I have to select some paper from this folder. So I've got so many. So I'll select it, select this one, and I'll say, okay. Now that citation has come, Mishra 2014. Now automatically the bibliography gets added here. Now, if you want, you can even edit or make adjustments. You have right aligned this. Now, this is the method of citing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what if we are doing a paraphrasing? See, how does it work in paraphrasing?
Paraphrasing in the sense the same paragraph is going to be or sentence is going to be reframed and you want
rephrase. Exactly. Yeah.
Same thing, sir. We are only worried about the method, how we are citing it. For example,
okay.
Say I will go to Zotero. Say I have so many options, papers in this.
Okay.
See, I'll open this application of soya bean powder as urease replacement. See, I have got this PDF available in this. Then
okay.
I'll open that. Say I have got some paragraph. What will I do there? I will be, say, I'll open this. I'll open this in some other. Yes. I'll just show that. Now see the Word file, the PDF file is getting opened.
Okay. So what if I want to cite only certain pages, because this should cite the entire article, right?
Yes,
I want
yes.
to cite only certain pages, certain paragraph. Then
that also I'll tell. For example, see, I want these things to be included in that. Of course, we are not supposed to copy and paste. So I'll say the results also show that 8K per unit, 8,000 units per liter concentration of urease enzyme. So I'll write something concerned to that in the Word file. So this is the Word file. I'll say 8,000 units per liter. So this has to be cited from this paper. So so I'll directly copy this application of enzyme induced. So I'm copying this. Now I'm copying the title, or say we also have the author, Ravi. See, just Ravi is also enough for Zotero to identify. See,